Financial Reporting Exposure Draft 67 is the Financial Reporting Council's first triennial review of FRS 102. So it sets out the proposed changes to the accounting standards that are coming down the line. The likely effective date for these changes is for accounting periods commencing on or after 1 January 2019, with early adoption likely to be permitted. The Financial Reporting Exposure Draft is mainly concerned with incremental changes and clarifications to the standards. So the idea being to simplify the accounting standards and really make them more cost-effective to apply. It's positive to note also that the FRC appears to be taking on board the feedback they're receiving from various stakeholders, and they are incorporating these into the proposed changes. So how does this affect you? There are three key areas that we think our clients will be affected by. The first one is with the removal of the undue cost or effort exemption. The undue cost or effort exemption is currently included in 4 places in the accounting standards. With the removal of this, companies will no longer be able to take this exemption. The idea behind this is that the FRC were finding that this exemption wasn't being applied with sufficient rigour and was almost being viewed as an accounting policy choice. The second area is with investment properties rented between group companies. So with this one, the proposed change is almost a move back towards old Irish GAAP, in that companies will now have an accounting policy choice whereby they can account for these types of properties as property, plant and equipment at cost rather than as investment property at their fair value. So again, this should hopefully simplify things for companies and make the accounting standards that little bit more cost effective to apply. The third area then is with loans from directors who are also shareholders of the company. So this one only applies to small companies, it's important to note, and it is only for loans from those directors who are also shareholders. The idea being behind this proposed change is that small companies can now account for these at their transaction price rather than at their present value. Again, simplifying things and making things a little bit more cost effective. While these are the 3 areas that we feel will affect our clients, there are other smaller changes and incremental changes included within the exposure draft. So please feel free to visit our website or get in contact for more information.